Use the iteration formula to find the values of x1, x2 and x3. Start with x0 equals 2. If x0 equals 2, the one up from x0 therefore will be x1. To find x1, we're always going to substitute into the right hand side of our iteration formula. Therefore, we're going to have the cube root on the inside of 10 minus 2 lots of xn. Xn always represents the previous result. Our previous result in this case is our x0 value, which in this case is 2. I'm going to press shift and square root to get my cube root. On the inside, I've got 10 minus 2. Every time I see xn, I'm going to put that in brackets. In this case, my previous value for xn was 2, so in brackets 2, and press equals. And that's my value for x1. To get my next value for x, which in this case would be x2, I'm using the same iteration formula, so therefore it's going to be the cube root of, on the inside, 10 minus 2 lots of xn, whereas xn always represents the previous value. So in this case, my previous value is not 2. My previous value is this 1.817 number. In my calculator, I already have the 1.817 number. So all I do is use my arrow key. Where I had the xn, which previously was 2, I know I want to replace that 2, so delete, with my new answer. So in my calculator, press answer key in its place, press equals. Therefore, my value of x2 is my 1.853 number. Finally, to get my next value for x, in this case x3, again, I'm using the same iteration formula. So therefore, it's going to be the cube root. On the inside, it's going to be 10 minus 2 lots of my xn, where xn is always the previous value. So in this case, my xn is my 1.853 number. This time our calculator is already programmed to take the previous answer. So to get x3, all we have to do is press equals. And our value for x3 is my 1.846 number.